So today's video will be about how to quit an addiction. So addiction can be in many forms. It can be through substance abuse, it can be through intoxication, it can be through you wasting time, you're doing procrastination. So we can break this cycle just by realizing that what are we doing right now. Like we should be taking the course of action, but first we should acknowledge the fact that we are addicted. Because if I'll tell you from my experience, I was also addicted to certain substance which we usually have it, and it's very common nowadays in youth, whether it's alcohol addiction, whether it's smoking addiction, whether it's weed addiction, which I was dealing with when I was in my 19s. So in my early, like first half of the 19, that was the first time I got introduced to this intoxication stuff. If prior to that I was not into all those things, and if I'll tell you in crux how did I got introduced to all those things, is that I had couple of friends through, in which some of them were girls, some of them were guys as well. So what happened was I was a very teetotaler guy. I never used to consume an alcohol or substance, but what happened was that because of the, I won't say the peer pressure, but just to be get fitted in the group, or just to be act cool, or just to escape the reality, many of us get into this loop and we think that we'll try it once and we'll never try it again. That's how I get into it. But what happens is, so what happened was, then that time there used to be a couple of things which made me to get into this trap. Because first of all, I was not very good in my academics, and apart from that, most of the people around me, they were having fun in terms of intoxication. And apart from that, there was a couple of personal problems which can be associated with family as well as relationship problems. So through that, I got introduced to this substance, and it was around a trip which I took somewhere around that time. That time, uh, some of my friends, they offered me to take this to try alcohol, I would say first, and so I was like, yeah, I can try, because I just left the hope of, like, being a good child will give me anything. Because before that I used to have never used to like all those things, but at that time I was little bit off the beat, and my mind was getting corrupted because of my procrastination, or I was not so ambitious, and I did not had any plan for the life. So that's how I entered in these things, and sooner or later these things became my lifeline, I would say. Like I was having it every single day, and for that I was even bluffing myself and my family to just to get the gist out of it. So the matter of the fact was, I was never happy doing all those things, although I did it for almost 4 years. But back in my mind, whenever I used to do it, so it used to give me some sort of, I would say, I used to regret that the more I am doing it, the more the regret factor was coming in it, and which made me realize that I am not happy in this stage of my life, where I'm not doing, like, I was doing plenty of things. I was doing job as well in between for a couple of months. I was Yeah, apart from that, I did plenty of things, but because of this addiction also, I have lost many things. If I would say, in terms of academic, I developed many backlogs which were very hard to clear for me, and because of the this issues, I was never addressing the fact that I should clear my degree, I should get into some job, I should plan my life further. But for coming out for coming out of this loop, first I acknowledge that, okay, whatever I'm doing, it's not taking me anywhere. So I first acknowledged it. That is the first step. And back in my mind, I was clear that I have to get out of it. So what happened after 4 years, when I was doing job, and I guess I left that job some days back. And what happened was, I went through some tough time in my life, where what happens is, you have two choices: that you can just increase the intoxication part in your life, or either you can just leave it there, because that is the time most of the people will increase it and get habituated. Then that is only the time, if you leave it and you just refrain and restrain yourself from these things, you can actually come out of it. So one particular fine day, I was going through some tough time. I was alone at my home, so I made a decision at night that I will not do it from tomorrow. And I would say the first few days will be nightmare for you, but you can replace those things with anything. For me, it was a spirituality which helped me to come out of it. It can be anything for you. You should have your why. You should have very strong why, that why do you want to do it, because if you are not serious about yourself, nobody will be serious about you. And that's what makes a difference between a winner and a loser. You should always have a winner mindset. No matter where you are, you can start a new life. It's just that the matter of fact that you have to decide whether you are waiting for that day, or you will do it one day. That is up to you. But that's how I can assure you that you can get out of it. And I will explain even in the deeper manner in the further videos, I would say, because this was my just introductory video. So I just wanted to share that what kind of content you can expect from me. I will tell you all about whatever I've experienced in my life, in terms of guidance, in terms of career, in terms of everything. Though I am also in the face of hustle only right now, but I can give you the gist of like where you can get distracted in the stage of your life, in early stage of your life.